back with another video, and today pretty much going to finish up work around the garage. As y'all seen in the last video, I got the floors pretty much done. Today we're gonna put up the shelves and stuff like that first. But before we do that, I'm just leaving the gym. As y'all see, I'm going to get the car washed. I'm in the silica. I don't know if you can tell by the seats, but I'm going to wash this car. It's not too bad, but at the same time, I don't feel like washing it at the house. My focus today is going to be getting the garage straight before the rest of the floors come in. So like I said, I haven't been active as far as in the car scene or doing anything pretty much at all this year. I think the last meet I went to was the cruise that we did on Christmas. So I'm definitely going to be out more. Just been going through a lot of stuff, but everything is starting to come together. So we're going to make some more content. My situation with YouTube is almost done with. So yeah, I'm able to post more content, whether it's shorts or long form. I don't care. We're going to get paid regardless, and we're going to get some more bills and be more productive when it comes to this car stuff. I appreciate all the support that y'all give me and sticking with me through the ins and outs of everything. So yeah, let's get some work done. I'm actually debating right now while I'm driving the car washes right here. I don't know whether I should get a bucket or should I go over here to Walmart and buy a bucket and we wash the car today. Yeah, matter of fact, I'm going to Walmart. Now, as y'all see, we picked up a bucket. So when I get to the house, we're definitely going to be washing this car. Cleaning off the land that I had cleared off over there. All that had so much dirt and stuff, like trash. But I'm tired. I think I'm about to wash my car.
The next day.
Alright, so I'm heading out right now. Going to work, getting me a little bit of overtime, but I'm gonna give y'all a little update on what I got done yesterday. Get my tools and stuff. Put all this stuff in the garage. A nasty day. So pretty much when I get back home, I'll be working inside the house because I got a lot going on inside the house too. Trying to redo everything. Alright, so a little update. My impact went out, so I couldn't finish mounting this up to put the fire extinguisher up, but I did get the shelves up. My toolbox and everything is going under here, and yeah, that's pretty much all I've got done, which that was a lot of work, hanging up all these brackets and crap, because I had to do this on every freaking corner to make sure the wood supports the freaking shelves. So, but today the rest of the floor should be in, so we're gonna knock that out. If not today, tomorrow for sure, and then we get to really see what she looks like completed. But I love the look so far. I still gotta organize a lot of stuff and take some stuff out, but it looks so nice in here now compared to when we first started with everything. Let me get to work. I'll be back with y'all soon.
Later that same evening.
And a new day. Yesterday was crazy. We had snow yesterday. I mean, it was actually sticking to the ground. But tonight, since we didn't get the floors, we're gonna go step out and go to a car meet. I know it's been forever. 3 months into the year, and we still haven't been to a car meet or anything, so we're gonna change that tonight. I believe that this meet is about 40 minutes away, 7 to 10, and it's after 7 o'clock now. We'll get there around 8 o'clock, so that's if we go straight there. I might have to make a stop because I'm freaking tired. Been working the last 2 days and actually go back to work tomorrow, so I'm a little exhausted. Hell no. Damn, belt squeaking.
I'm from nothing, we shopping in London and doing it.
Copyright. already packed out. But yeah, it never fails. Hard tension as soon as you pull out. But if you haven't seen it, she is clean. I'm just tired of seeing it. It's my car. And of course, my boys got me a spot over here as soon as I got here. Because there was 2 trucks. The trucks had to wait for me. So, trying to figure out where they at. Okay. So. Rob got his car painted. This shit is tough. Look at that. That shit is tough. That bitch is clean. Bro, what's up with you, man?
What's up, man?
What's up? What's up? How you been? I know, first time out this year, man. Hey, that paint job is crazy. Yeah, first time out. Yep. Man, I've been going.
That boy straight beating on the cut going crazy.
yeah, I think we'll get some work done today. All right, so we should have all the flooring. I think I'm just missing one box of blue, but it says it should come around 11 o'clock tonight. I got all my red, so we about to knock this out. Let me open this side
On the cut going
of
crazy.
the garage. So we now officially finished with the garage. Other than the missing towels that we have left, we got one more box of blues, and yeah, we definitely finished this up. But that's all right here. That's it. And this is how it looks. Love it. I love it so much. My little man cave. It's perfect. So, like I said before, just gotta organize this little section over here. This is going over there in the corner, right under that cabinet. And yeah. So that's gonna do it for this video. I hope y'all enjoyed. I hope y'all really like the garage, because this is where we're gonna be making all the content. I had to bring it to life because it looked terrible at first. And me trying to record every day and posting videos, and it was hard on the eyes. So this is perfect. I'm probably gonna host parties and do all kind of other stuff in here other than car content. So yeah, I'm pleased, thankful, blessed. Thank you all who's supporting. And until next time, I'm out.